action or result are we waiting that so that that well again can continue its operation? Are we going to wait for the clearance or somehow a certification from the international standard that everything is okay? What makes, let us say, we stop the operation? What makes it operate again?
As to the suspension, sir?
Yeah.
So, at present, we are suspending the operation of that particular well. First, not only because we are waiting for the results of the investigation, not only that. Other reasons are because we are looking at the options to provide better safety regulations, precautionary measures on that particular, not only for that particular well, but for the entire operation.
Can we have this committee, can we have that report for the coming from the GI and then Dr.
If I may, Mr. Chair, this is only my observation. Is bleeding part of drilling because you want to empty the well of toxic gas? Is that it? You have to empty the gases before the steam goes out, right? Kaya nga po ba, if it's part of your drilling operation, that you have to empty the toxic gas, my recommendation is, go ahead with that. Ang inyong precautionary safety measures, you have to go that. Okay, part of getting the steam is to empty the toxic gas. Is that it? Is that correct?
Okay, board member sir.
I guess drilling is different than the bleeding. Drilling can go, but there's supposed to be technology in the bleeding process and the flowing test process, that there has to be some point in the abatement process where they contain and arrest this particular toxic gases. And that has to be done properly. So proper measures should be done in this aspect. That's why Father Maceda is recommending for suspension for all those flow testing and bleeding that caused that particular leak and victimized 8 persons. Those are the only, until the result is found out, and unless you can prove to the body that you have done the necessary mitigating measures to safeguard the personnel.
That you have all the equipment.
Well, first of all, let me inform the whole members here that as far as I can understand it, we are only on the recommendatory stage. Because the power to grant that authority comes from the Department of Energy. But let me warn though, BGI, that there is such a law that if there is any imminent danger, the local government can impose the stoppage of the operation.
May I ask you, Chair, kung pwede po? Yung bang sinasabi ni attorney na continuing ang investigation, does that include the other wells? Kasi kung iniimbestiga lang yung nangyari ngayon at hindi naman din titingnan yung safety measure sa iba, masama tayo. Kailangan isama na rin doon kasi we are anticipating problems also that will come later on. So dapat sana yung investigating committee now will concentrate not only on the problem at hand, pero doon din sa ibang bleeding at sa ibang flowing para maiwasan na yung mangyayari pa. That's anticipation of the problem to come.
It's very clear. Anyway, you admitted that in 1 week time, the investigation will be... Can you not give the request?
Actually, Mr. Chair, we don't do bleeding or flow discharging naman like every day. Hindi naman every day. It's on a schedule. Basis yun. Hindi naman. There are a lot of studies, a lot of meetings before a well will be discharged or will blend. So, ano siya, for that particular well, but definitely whatever will be the things that will be considered for that well will have to be applied in all other wells as part of our precautionary measure. So, stop to siya mag-bleeding but doesn't mean we'll continue with the others. Eh, syempre,
Stop po ang uban.
yes, aside from the
So,
fact that
in
there's
a
no
week, 1 week
schedule.
time, can you assure us in a 1 week time before the result of your investigation, can you assure us na walay the same activity nga nakakos? Can you assure us with
Within 1 week time, sir, there is no schedule for
Okay,
our discharge.
we heard a lot from the BGI. Maybe we can create a committee that will verify and to monitor that BGI is not doing any other activity. Perhaps it's the member, the chairman of disaster, provincial disaster, and the EMB, with the EMB. So that we can also, because it's impossible for us to be in that area o labas. Hindi makalagdag na ubos na tanan. So okay lang kung kailangan ni EMB o disaster chairman or kinsa pa yung volunteer na to. Yes,
I accept the job. In fact, tomorrow we will be having a meeting with the EMT, provincial government representative, and hopefully we will be visiting the site.
So, Father, it's clear, don't need for the decision for this monitoring committee because of the assurance coming from the BGI. But, however, if we found out that they're still continuing the operation,
So I would just like to clarify, Mr. Chair, that the operation, the bleeding and the flowing operation has been stopped in all wells. In all wells. Not just in the well concerned. In all wells, within apat ba yun?
In 4, 5, and 6 na to, sir. They are not
So because that was the motion, Mr. Chair, to stop the operation, the bleeding and the flowing operation on those 3 wells. I hope yung po yung motion.
Yes, sir.
Pending result of the investigation.
Yes,
Whether
sir.
in 1 week or 2 weeks.
and the chairman of the provincial risk management is assigned the task together with the EMB to determine whether or not BGI
Yes, sir. To clarify, sir, that is for a 1 week period, sir. There is we will not schedule any flow testing or discharge or bleeding.
until such time that you meet the report,
Yes.
the result, and to prove this body that the safety net that the BGI is in place, together with the concurrence of the EMB.
Sir, we would, for that matter, as to the specific time until when we are going to suspend that, we would be first, it
After
would be
you submit the
necessary.
report, if you can submit that in 1 week time, the body can decide.
It
But
would
if
be,
you submit the report in 1 year time, you are suspended for 1 year time.
because it would be necessary for us to determine, anyway, there are other
What I mean,
investigations.
the ball is in your hand. Make it pass and make it sure that you have a correct determination of that question discussed. Because that will be verified and confirmed by the EMB and the yes, ma'am. Yes, sister.
I understand that the investigation earlier, as discussed, that the investigation will just be limited to the kind of gas and poison sila. But kung sana the investigation will also be expanded as to the preparedness of these wells, these 3 wells, kung equipped na pa sila, prepared na pa sila sa ilang mga safety equipment and so on, that gas sensor at sa pagkakas na police.
It is included, sister, because
Safety of these wells.
is it included? It is included because we will require the BGI to present to this monitoring committee all their equipment, sensor, whatever safety need that they add in relation to the operation.
In short, Mr. Chair, the monitoring committee will determine whether BGI is capable.
Yes, yes. Because don't worry, you are part of this monitoring. You can defend yourself.
And I think, Mr. Chair, it is wise that while the investigation is on process, I think wise na siguro na suspend sa ng operations ng wells. until the investigating team will find out na talaga it is well equipped o prepared talaga ang request for really what kind of process is there.
Okay. So, it's clear. The chairman, the Silio, will monitor every day.
Mr.
Every
Chair,
day. And to let BGI cooperate with the subcommittee will be present. Storyahin na ninyo so that the Silio will report to this committee for the other action.
Before we close, Mr. Chair, I would like to reiterate my former request during the meeting with the BGI for them to submit their safety and evacuations plan and the waste and garbage disposal plan, which I asked from BGI.
For the meantime, we will waiting for that report. If possible, you submit all safety need. Kasi ang inyuhan, growing naman to. Dahil yung eksakto na inyuhan procedure is okay ba ninyo ba?
Mr. Chair, clarify. Mr. Judasili will have to determine our capabilities whether we can proceed.
No, we will be one who can determine. He will be there. Is commissioned by this body together with the ENB to verify your commitment to stop
In 1 week time.
in 1 week time. Until such time that you can convince this body that everything is in order.
Well, Mr. Chair, the commitment is only in 1 week time because the DOE and the DOLE are having investigations right now. And when the DOLE asks us to
We would like to
proceed,
remind you, BGI, our investigation is separate and distinct from their investigation because this is in line with our resolution in granting support to that project. Unless and until, because we are the one directly affected in the event that you cannot prove to this body that Billy Rano is in good hands. That's it.
Yes, Mr. Chair, to maintain the position.
Yes. Yesterday we had a meeting with the whole staff of the hospital, and I was asking them are we prepared for a bigger scale, same accident, and we have different opinions. Sa case naman sa BGI, and in yung apparently we have an unusual case. Victims were the safety officers themselves. They were involved. Sila yung biktima. The safety officers, right? So, I'm asking you now, do you have this protocol kung sa inyong evacuation, etc. Okay. One of your staff is one of my staff before. He was a nurse. And apparently was hearing under such a what we have. So, I hope you have a good emergency plan with regards to the emergency.
May I hear this, BJ, yung sa inyong assistance, igihatag sa mga biktima?
We paid
Ikaw rin
for
ba? Ato ko rin before, inyo na nakarap?
Actually, Blue Waste is an employee of a mining agency, GJC, but we paid for all the expenses.
Kuning kaso ba na ay mga nearby communities, mahitabo na, do you have an allocation for their medication?
Sir, depending on the
Regarding sa mga damages, environment of people, meron silang nakalaan na we call it Environmental Guarantee Fund. Outright, ma-withdraw yan to defray all expenses. Ni-require naman yan sila I'm not sure the amount, how much yun on the 3 million, replenishable yan every time na mabawasan.
Kinsa meron maka-access niya na, magulat na padanan na yung may kabuha maka-access.
No, what I'm saying here is that there is a ready available fund para ready to be used to different expenses.
What I gathered is the DOE and were given some portion of amount for this particular project, pero ano under this province?
Mga resident na
And in fact, even in their surety or surety bonds, the obligee is the Department of Energy, not the province. I mean, you know, it's ironical. Things are getting so ironical that even ang nangaigo, nangabiktima ang safety consultants.
Ensure sila rin pinalangga.
Mura no, ang province mo ay i-deny sa mga dapat ihatag.
Mr. Chair, because we
para masaktan na kung sa man yung social responsibility nga ikahatag sa pagkakaroon labi na karoon man niya ako in return sa inyo ang mahimo sa komunidad.
Yes, sir. As part of our corporate social responsibility, we're providing livelihood to those affected, to the host community. We're also providing our
affected kayo niyo mga tao sila kayo niyo livelihood.
The host community, sir. It's part of our corporate social responsibility, education. We have also for the MRF trainings, health aspects. We have that as part of our community social responsibility, and we are having an ongoing agreement also with the people's organization who are mostly affected in Kaibiran, sir.
When in behalf of this, can you submit that series of social responsibility?
Yes, sir.
Can
We
you submit that to
will
us?
answer.
So that we can also promise that to our constituent, especially the board member Chan and yours truly, and is the project is situated in our district.
Yes, sir. We will.
A lot of people is asking, sa may ang makuha diyan? Sila po diyan kung maligyan ng kuryente. So, can you submit the plan for that? This one.
Last week we had the environmental investigative mission, and these were the questions that were asked by the people at NSU. And sad to say, these are still plans. Like 6 months from now, we will do this. Livelihood. This 3 months from now, we will do this. The seedlings, where are the seedlings? No action yet. Most of these are still the plans.
That is why, Mother, we are asking from them,
Yes.
so that the plan will be materialized. Because I believe one of the conditions also in the resolution of support, there are conditions that have been part of this support. This condition based on your service contract. So, are we clear? So, lastly, would like to request from BGI to please provide all the necessary support. If you can let them borrow whatever equipment, vehicle, whatever, for the Dasilio and the INB. Isa pa mailayan yung one member. Tingnan nila ang preso dito. Inanan to. PIA and BNP. Oo. Then when 1 week time, you think a report.
Mr. Chair, excuse me. I would like to request Mr. Dasilio not to require me to visit the site. If I will be a member because I'm afraid I have
Asma.
asthma, yeah, related to that lung ailment.
So Mr. Chair,
Can I ask the
anyway.
representative and the chief of police of Kaibiran together myself as member of the subcommittee?
Okay. So it's very clear. Kung saan kung may violation, sa may kong i-post.
We will wait for your recommendation, sir.
Klaro ba yan? Automatic revocation. Si chairman ato sa environment versus something.
Actually, before sa start sa meeting, until the end sa meeting karon,
Ako, I'm really confused with sa Mitabo kay Mr. Ramon Solania state earlier na 80% lang ang steam na magawas, then 20% ang ammonia. 98% na puno ko ng ammonia. Ako, sa akong pagkatao, pag-observe ka lang Mr. Dasilio at ang Professor Nelson, nakadetermine din siya o kung sa ang initial report niya na it's two isang iya na yung gigawas ha? Mas nakamao pa kayo sa inyo, di ba? So, di ba na yung lapses na? No, address na lang. Isang din ako, ito rin ako, mga atong ni Kuya ba? This is the second time, ha? This is the second time na na-discuss siya ang BGI. May sa previous mga months, diha na iunom na sa hospital. Pero wala resolve, di ba? So, kinisikan time na ni kung nga nahibuong ko ng expert nila nga kanang itawag nila na kanang foreigner nga nagtak ng tao nga kuya pa na o expert ko na siya wala siya itawag siya kung saan safety consultant ha o karon ako pa bang baton ang mga nagagiliran nga mahulog o kamatay na sila ganun mismo wala sila ma-safety so ingon na akong observation so based on your findings na itong matikuhan so we will conduct thorough investigation of what kind of gas exposed on that site. And we will also revisit the body of what content of environment compliance certificate kung saan na bukan ito. That's all. That's all.
Okay, that's it. Any other comment? Any other suggestion?
Okay, yeah, okay.
Okay, we are working here for the common good of all the Biliranos, beneficial to BGI and to the people of Biliran. So I would like to suggest that BGI must acquire yung mga sensors that are state-of-the-art, modern ba maka-detect siya on the slightest move sa mga gas na gawas from the testing. So with the present equipment that you have now, I think there is a more modern, high-end
yung mga
sensors that you can really ensure safety of the workers within the drilling site.
Okay, before that, Mr. Chair, I would like also to recommend to the BGI to reconsider also the stay of your safety manager in your organizations because this is an irony that they are the life of your workers in the hands of the safety manager and then they are the ones who are victims to this incident. So we'd like to reconsider also the stay of the safety manager in your organization.
And one observation based from BGI, one in Historia, your expert is the only one who will able to for higher ground, meaning those people does not know how to where to go, where to run, because they are not capable with it. They are not knowledgeable what to do. If they are also with that knowledge, with your expert, maybe they will run the same the higher ground or the higher ground. That's an admission. That's a fact admission from the BGI.
Why seminar? Why seminar?
Sir, I would like also to request that upon doing investigation in the area, we will be first oriented about the missionary issues, security, anything, and then
Ano po yun sa inyo in hospital?
okay, I'm also afraid for the risk, siyempre, mother afraid
So, what else?
Yes, sir. I think probably seeing a comment from BGI is that we would like to assure everybody that we are doing this not only for the benefit of the project, but for ourselves as well. Because for the information, again, I am also a mother and I'm also a Biliran. We're the frontliners. So we would also like to determine finally what it was and how it would be prevented. Because we wanted to pursue this progress and we wanted to make sure that this progress is also safe for everybody. So we will be transparent, we will coordinate with you, if there is anything that we miss, our office is always open in case you want to participate. Precisely also to Monsignor, as to the letter, we saw it through Facebook. We waited until such time that it would be received by the office so we can take action. Because we didn't take it as an official because we did not receive it in the office. We would rather hear it from you, from those concerns, so that we can make immediate actions.
Ganito na lang siguro, to make it official, so that the communication will be official. There's an admission that you have to closure on this time, until such time that the report will be finished. We will suggest that you make an official communication also, that everything is been in place in order to be ready to operate. Para klarado, so that the monitoring will be confirmed by the monitoring that everything is met. And this committee is adjourned ba or recess lang po sa adjourned na?
Since there is no other matters to discuss, Mr. Chair, move to adjourn.
Thank you for your attendance. And before leaving, we have lunch. Okay, again, thank you.